March 2, 2025, araw ng linggo, magbabasa na naman tayo ng Biblia. Jesus took Peter, James, and his brother John and led them up a high mountain by themselves and was transfigured before them. And his face shone as the sun, and his raiment was white as the light. And behold, there appeared to them Moses and Elijah talking together with him. Behold, a voice out of the cloud said, "This is my beloved Son, hear him." Matthew chapter 17, verse 1 to 8. This scene happens at night, and the apostles are all frightened to see Jesus illuminated by the powerful searchlights of the spacecraft, out of which Moses and Elijah stepped, still alive thanks to the tree of life from which they have benefited. Immortality is a scientific reality, even it does not correspond to humanity's idea of immortality. In chapter 19, verse 30 of St. Matthew, there is a sentence, "But many who are first now will be last, and many who are now will be first." 8:30 tonight on my YouTube channel. Scientifically, I'm going to explain this in details. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng, comment, like, and share, and thank you for watching.